Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the Hazel Eyes filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, here in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, Hazel Eyes. Okay, you can tap on the screen to change the color. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to the for you page, and here on the top right corner you will see the search button. Just tap there, search for Hazel Eye filter. Okay, you will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Tap there to use the effect. Likewise, okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from for you page, then what you can do, let me go back first. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.